Hello all, I wanted to give you a reminder of how to set up an SAE agreement. So once you log into AET, and reminder your login is the first initial of your first name and your last name, your password is either Vikings all lowercase, unless you change it to something else, and the school ID is CT0009, and that's capital CT0009. So when you get to the home page, it's going to look like this. You are going to click on Journal here, and then you're going to go to Project and Experience Manager. Okay, and to create a new one, you're going to click Add New. When you go to make your title, you are going to type in your title of whatever your SAE is. In this case today, you're going to be making one for a foundational or exploratory SAE. Make sure you add that school year into the title, and that's going to be 2021 to 2022 because this will be for next school year. This is going to be an individual SAE, and then we're going to click foundational, and we're going to leave it on the foundational skills. Then we can click save. And now we're ready to start making our plan in our SAE agreement. Okay, so in this beginning section here, you're going to fill in that information that you can find on Google Classroom. I'll pull it up really quickly right now just so that you can go ahead and see. Okay, so here's that information that you're going to put in the description in AET. So you can just copy and paste this and fill this in. Reminder, you're not going to have a worksite title because if you're doing a foundational SAE, you're not actually in a job or volunteering anywhere. So you can just put not applicable for worksite title. And then worksite address, phone, and email will be the same as home. You also won't have a worksite supervisor, so you can put not applicable. Okay, so back to AET. So you're going to fill in your description info here. You're going to write your time investment. So remember, here's where you're going to write, I will spend blank hours per week in blank activities. So I know that you are not in the reality of creating an SAE yet, but I'd like you to at least copy and paste this into this section, or to think about how many hours you would like to spend a week on SAE and type that in here. For financial investment for this SAE, there will be no financial investment. Sometimes with the foundational SAE, you might have a product that you need to, or excuse me, a project that you might put money into. For this, you're just going to put not applicable and /A. And then that brings us to our learning objectives, where we are going to click Add and Explore Skill Areas. Okay, we can stay in our foundational skills here. And then if you look here, again, reminder, each of these learning standards are separated into categories. So the bolded titles here are the different categories. So for example, if your SMART goal was about writing resumes, you might go to employability skills for college and career readiness. If your goal is about observing a career or shadowing a career for a day, you're going to look under career exploration and planning. When you find the standard that matches what you're looking for, let's see, it could be explore areas that interest you. That would be good for a job shadow or for doing internet research. We're going to click that add, it's going to turn pink, and then we're going to go save and back to SAE plan. You're going to add your SMART goal here. Okay, and then we're going to do this until we have 5 SMART goals in here, and then we'll click Save All and Return, and then you'll have created an SAE agreement for a foundational SAE.